Most online gurus are lying to you. They tell you it takes thousands of dollars, complicated funnels, and endless hours glued to social media just to make your first dollar online. And that's exactly why so many people end up never making money online and staying stuck in jobs they hate. But here's the truth. You can start making money online in just 15 minutes a day, even if you have zero experience or tech skills. So in this video, I'm gonna show you the exact steps we use to go from broke 9-to-5ers, buried in debt, feeling stuck and hopeless, to building a business that completely changed our lives, and how you can too. Back in 2016, my wife Brittany and I were just like you. I was in law enforcement, she was a teacher, and together we had over $40,000 worth of student loan debt. We were working hard, doing everything we thought was right, but we still felt very stuck. We'd get to the end of the month wondering where our money went, wishing we had some more time for our family, and praying that something would change. Fast forward to today, and we've built a 7-figure online business that gives us ultimate time freedom, financial freedom, and the ability to help others do the exact same. And listen, our journey didn't start with a bunch of money, connections, or tech skills. It started with taking action on the simplest online business model we could find, affiliate marketing. If we can do it, so can you. Here's the problem. So many gurus out there make it sound totally impossible. They tell you that you need to buy their $5,000 course, master Facebook ads, build complicated websites and funnels, and grow a massive social media following before you can make your first single dollar online. And you know what? That kind of advice keeps people stuck, keeps them overwhelmed, and makes them feel like freedom is only for a few and not for the many. But here's the truth. You don't need any of that to get started. You just need a simple path, a simple system, and consistency to put in the work, just 15 minutes a day. So if you're excited about learning the system and starting to make money online, do us a quick favor, hit the like button, share it with a friend. It helps us out tremendously. And make sure you comment freedom down below, and I'll make sure you get our free resource to help you hit the ground running after you're finished watching this video. So what is the most simplest, direct path for making money online for beginners? Affiliate marketing. So what is affiliate marketing? It's basically you recommend products and services that maybe you have experience with or already are using that people already want. And when they buy through your link, you get paid an awesome commission. That's it. There's no inventory, there's no shipping, there's no customer service, there's no fulfillment, there's no massive upfront costs. It's literally just sales and marketing. It's amazing. Affiliate marketing is how we made our first $50 online. That turned into $500, into $1,000, into $10,000, and eventually it gave us the freedom to walk away from our 9-to-5 jobs completely. And now we've been making money through affiliate marketing for over a decade. And here's the best part. You can start even if you have no experience, no followers, no tech skills. All you need is a plan and a willingness to take action every single day. So let me walk you through the 5 steps that we recommend if you want to start making money online through affiliate marketing, even if you only have 15 minutes a day. Step 1, most important one. Pick a niche. Choose something you already have experience with, you're passionate about, and you're already spending time and money in that niche. Think fitness, finance, parenting, cooking, gardening. People are searching for solutions to their problems in these areas every single day. And if you can help them find the right products and resources to help them solve those problems, you can start earning commission. The absolute best niches that you can have the most impact and earn the most amount of money is always going to be the core 3, which is going to be health, wealth, and relationships. But that's not to say you can't make a ton of money in other smaller niches like golfing or crafting, for example. In fact, the more niche down you can get, the faster you can make money because there's a lot less competition. All right, step 2 is going to be finding affiliate products. Sign up for these affiliate programs like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, Impact, or one of our new favorites, OfferLab, or even directly with the companies if you can. The best products to promote are the ones that solve a problem that people are already motivated to fix. And here's a pro tip. Look for reoccurring commission affiliate programs. That means that you get paid every single month as long as the referral stays a customer. Most of the time, these are subscriptions or softwares where people have to pay each month in order to keep the service. One of our first ever reoccurring affiliate program literally has covered our groceries every single month for about 5 years. That's how powerful this can be. Number 3, choosing a platform to share on. This is where most people get stuck, so let me make it as simple as possible. You do not need to be everywhere. Just pick one platform. Maybe it's YouTube, maybe it's TikTok, maybe it's Instagram, maybe it's Facebook. Pick a platform that you're on the most often and that your ideal avatar within your niche hangs out the most on. That's going to give you the least amount of friction to get started and actually start posting content. You already know the platform, you know your audience is there, so now it's just creating good content that's going to solve people's problems, provide value, and then offer them affiliate links to solve those problems with products or services. The important thing is to stay consistent. Even if you're just posting one short video a day or sending one email a week, you're building that momentum, you're building that action and that habit, and that's how you're going to get success. Number 4 is plug this into a proven system. This is where most people, again, usually overcomplicate things. You don't need to spend months trying to figure out websites, funnels, automations. That's long-term down the road. That's why we recommend tools like Funnel Freedom. It's a done-for-you system that gives beginners the exact templates and automations to start fast without any tech headaches. Honestly, I really wish that this software was out when we got started. It would have made our life so much easier and helped us scale so much faster. It's an amazing all-in-one platform that has everything you could possibly need as a beginner. I have a full review on our channel that you can watch after you're done watching this video. Step 5 is going to be daily 15-minute actions. Here's the real secret. Small, consistent actions. Spend 15 minutes a day posting one piece of content and sharing one affiliate link. Send one email, follow up with one person. It doesn't take much, and honestly, it's really not that much. But when you stack those actions over the weeks and months, they compound into results that can change your life forever. So here's the fork in the road. 6 months from now, if you didn't start, you're probably still at the same spot working a job that you don't really love, feeling stuck, and wishing that things were different. But if you do take action, and you do take my advice, even just 15 minutes a day, 6 months from now, you could be looking back at those tiny steps that you took as a turning point in your life. I want you to imagine some of your bills being covered by creating another source of online income, another stream of income coming into your household. Imagine your debt shrinking lower. Imagine having savings for the first time. Imagine finally feeling like you can breathe again and not living paycheck to paycheck. That's exactly what's possible when you get started. And trust me, when we were first getting started, we were super scared and nervous too. But if you can overcome that and just take the first step and start to build these habits, that's when you're going to have life-changing results. Now, if you're ready to take action, I put together a free Make Money Online starter guide that walks you through everything we just talked about, even more detail. Just click the link in the description below and you can download it instantly. And while you're there checking out the description, you'll also see some of the links from our favorite programs like Funnel Freedom, Offer Lab, and Freedom Breakthrough. These are some of our favorite tools and trainings that helped us go from zero to full-time income online. Again, please don't overthink this. The most important thing you can do right now is start. Remember, freedom doesn't happen in giant leaps. It happens in small steps stacked consistently over time. Now that you know affiliate marketing is the best way for beginners to make money online, if you still don't believe me, here's an entire video for affiliate marketing for beginners for you to check out.